Thinking about creating an online course or building a thriving community, two popular platforms that often came up in the discussion are Skool and Kajabi. Now, Skool is a gamified community focused platform tailored for educators, coaches, and creators who want to foster engagement alongside their courses. Meanwhile, for Kajabi, it's an all in one platform designed to help you create, market, and sell online courses, membership, and more. In this video, we'll compare Skool, Kajabi across several aspects, including community engagement, course creation, pricing, ease of use, and more. By the end, you'll know which platform fits your needs best. Now, before we get started, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. Skool is primarily a community-driven platform. Its standout feature is gamification. Members can earn points for participation, climbing leaderboards, and fostering a sense of competition. It's perfect for creating vibrant learning communities where members engage with each other while consuming content. Now, Kajabi is a robust all-in-one solution. It allows you to create, market, and sell online courses, build websites, manage email campaigns, and more. Kajabi is designed to streamline the entire process of running an online business, making it ideal for those who want everything under one roof or platform. Moving forward, let's talk to the core mechanics of both platforms, which is course creation and delivery. Now, both platforms support course creation but in slightly different ways. Now, Skool emphasizes simplicity. Its setup is streamlined with a clean interface that allows creators to upload content and structure lessons easily. The integration of courses with community feature ensures that students are continuously engaged. Now, for Kajabi, Kajabi excels in course creation with its advanced tools. You can create multiple course types such as evergreen courses, drip courses, and mini courses. It also offers built-in video hosting, quizzes, and certificates of completion, making it a more feature-rich LMS. If you're focused solely on delivering a course, Kajabi's advanced feature might appeal to you. But if community engagement is just as important as the course itself, Skool has the edge. And of course, those courses comes with community engagement, so let's navigate through community engagement aspect. Engagement is where these two platforms differs significantly. Now, Skool's gamified community tools are its core strength. Leaderboards and badges motivate members to participate actively. This feature is particularly useful for creators who want to build a lively, interactive learning environment. Now, Kajabi offers community features like forums, discussions boards, and more, but they aren't as dynamic or gamified as Skool's. While functional, they lack the engagement driving mechanics that Skool provides. So, if community engagement is important to you, maybe you want to head over to Skool. Now, let's navigate through marketing and sales tools. Now, for Skool, Skool integrates with third-party tools like Stripe for payment processing and relies on external marketing tools for email campaigns and funnels. Its simplicity can be a pro or con depending on your preference. Now, for Kajabi, Kajabi is a powerhouse for marketing. It includes built-in email marketing, sales funnels, upsells, and analytics. You can design complete marketing campaigns without needing external tools. If marketing automation is your priority, Kajabi is the clear winner here. Kajabi offers tiered pricing starting at $55 a month for the annual plan. And for monthly, you can start with $69 a month with zero transaction fees, 50 landing pages, 1,250 marketing emails, 1 products, 250 contacts, and 1 website. Moving forward to basic, you have $150 monthly with additional features right here. Now for growth for $200, and lastly Pro for $400. If you want to view the full details or features of both plans, you can just navigate through kajabi.com/pricing. Moving forward to the Skool. Skool has a flat pricing model at $99 a month, which includes unlimited members and access to all features. It's predictable and straightforward, making it budget friendly. Now with this, you get one group, all features, unlimited courses, unlimited members, and 2.9 transaction fee. You can start with 14-day free trial. Now, let's talk about security and maintenance. Both platforms prioritize security and maintenance, but their approaches differ slightly. Skool is a fully managed, meaning updates, security patches, and backups are handled by the platform itself. This ensures creators can focus on their content without worrying about technical upkeep. Similarly, Kajabi manages security and updates for its users. Its enterprise-grade security feature protects your data and ensures that your business runs smoothly without technical interruptions. Now, let's touch on the payment processing for both platforms. Skool payments are handled via Stripe integrations, offering secure and reliable transactions. There are no additional transaction fees from Skool itself, which keeps costs transparent. For Kajabi, they also use Stripe and PayPal for payment processing. However, it does not charge extra transaction fees beyond what the payment processor collects, making it equally competitive. And so guys, to end the video, which platform is the right for you, Skool or Kajabi? Now, if your priority is building an engaged community around course, Skool is the better choice. Its gamification feature and seamless integration of courses and communities make it a unique option for creators who value interaction. On the other hand, Kajabi is a robust all-in-one platform for creating, marketing, and selling your online courses and memberships. Kajabi is the way to go. Its advanced marketing tools and comprehensive features justify its higher price point for users looking to manage everything in one place. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs. If engagement and simplicity are key, you want to go for Skool. If automation and scalability are your priorities, Kajabi might be a better fit. Thanks for joining us in this detailed comparison of Skool versus Kajabi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy creating!